Lecture number 12. Let us proceed with the mechanism how the reaction takes place in case of aldehydes and ketones. Try to understand this. A simple mechanism. See, as we said that carbonyl group, it is polar in nature because oxygen is more electronegative in nature. So it will attract the electrons of carbon towards itself. So that results in the polarity of the bond. So carbonyl bond becomes polar in nature. नाउ जो न्यूक्लियोफाइल है ना, तो न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक कार्बन को करेगा. दैट स्टेप इज अ स्लो स्टेप. एंड व्हेन द न्यूक्लियोफाइल अटैक्स द कार्बन, किधर है न्यूक्लियोफाइल? से द न्यूक्लियोफाइल इज हियर एंड देन इट अटैक्स कार्बन. तो व्हेन इट अटैक्स कार्बन ना, तो ये डबल बॉन्ड शिफ्ट होगा ऑक्सीजन की तरफ. So the intermediate form, it is a tetrahedral intermediate where the sp2 hybridized जो था पहले कार्बन, अभी that is not sp2 hybridized because now it is tetrahedral in nature. And then the next step is, now the next step is a fast step where it will accept a proton. Okay, where it will accept a proton. अभी यहाँ पे H plus it has accepted, it will accept a proton to form the product. So this is how the mechanism takes place in case of aldehydes and ketones. Now when we go for the reactivity order, the 2 points based for the reactivity of aldehydes and ketones. The very first point is regarding its inductive effect, where I have written the structures: formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and acetone. The maximum positive inductive effect is present on acetone because it has got 2 alkyl groups. They are the electron releasing groups. So maximum positive inductive effect on acetone. So जो चार्ज है कार्बन का, ओके, as they are the electron releasing groups, acetone में the charge is less, stability is more, reactivity is less. So acetone is less reactive, whereas formaldehyde में there is no alkyl group, so the charge is intensified. The charge is more, the stability is less, the reactivity is more. So from this you can say that formaldehyde is more reactive than acetaldehyde than acetone. If you compare the second factor, that is steric hindrance, so hindrance is again more in acetone because it is bulky in nature. So the same reactivity order remains. What is the reactivity order? It is a formaldehyde which is more reactive than acetaldehyde which is more reactive than acetone. So that is the reactivity order. Okay, now, so which type of reactions do they undergo? Write it down. The aldehydes and ketones, they undergo nucleophilic addition reactions. Nucleophilic because कार्बन पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, बराबर, तो न्यूक्लियोफाइल जाएगा कार्बन की तरफ. So nucleophilic addition because they have got a double bond. So it is nucleophilic addition reactions the aldehydes and ketones they undergo. Now the addition reactions, the very first simple reaction. Okay, before starting the reactions, what will you do is again make 2 separate compartments. Aldehydes will be on the left hand side, and when the class starts I am going to check your book and I am going to check in each and every reaction. Okay, so do whatever I say. बाद में मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए कि मुझे ये नहीं समझा, वो नहीं समझा, मेरा ध्यान नहीं था, blah blah blah. So I want to be done as I have told you. Now when it is the reaction with aldehyde, तो left hand side पे आएगा, ketones का similar reaction right hand side पे आएगा. I have written the general reaction. It's a aldehyde when reacts with HCN. The reaction is in the presence of a base. And see what happens. ये जो nucleophile है ना, that goes to the carbon, and H जो है that goes to double bond O, converts to OH. What is the product? The product form is aldehyde cyanohydrin. Now the same reaction I have written with acetaldehyde, very same similar reaction. When it is acetaldehyde reacting with HCN, it forms acetaldehyde cyanohydrin, that is the product. Now MCQ may come, it had come in the exam, it's a favorite question, like a compound. Listen carefully to what I say. A compound when reacted with HCN, it is converted to X. When X is hydrolyzed, you get a compound which is optically active. Which aldehyde is it? I hope you have understood the question. A compound. Okay, options दिए रहेंगे. A compound when reacting with HCN, it is converted to X. When that is acid hydrolyzed, it is converted to Y. which is optically active, and then what is the original compound. Okay, the answer is acetaldehyde. See, I will explain you. The first step would be this, HCl के साथ react करके it will form acetaldehyde cyanohydrin, and then इसका अगर acid hydrolysis किया तो cyanide का hydrolysis किया तो it is converted to carboxylic acid. That lesson we have not done, तो आपको strike नहीं होगा, but अब तक you should understand whatever I said. So that is forming acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Same reaction ketones के साथ लिखो. Take right hand side पे acetone and then do write the reaction in a similar way. It would be acetone cyanohydrin. That is the difference in the product. Now, what is the mechanism? Let us try to write the mechanism for the same. As we have written, aldehydes, ketones, they are polar compounds. So cyanide की nucleophile जो है, so the very first step what has happened? HCN, it is reacting with OH because the reaction is in the presence of a base to form H2O and cyanide. तो यहाँ पे a nucleophile is generated. Now, the nucleophile which is generated then reacts with the carbonyl compound. Then you get the same tetrahedral structure as the intermediate which is formed. And then the reaction in the presence of H2O. So, वहाँ पे H जाएगा, OH is separated. Initial stage पे हमको OH react किया, बाद में we are getting it again separate. That means the mechanism is right. So that is all about the very first reaction in case of aldehydes and ketones. In the next lecture, we proceed with the second reaction of the same.